it's Kaydence. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be unboxing Colourpop's mystery box. So it came in the mail like this, and it actually came a week ago, but I've been waiting for a chance to be able to sit down and kind of unbox it. This box that I have in my hand was their smallest mystery box, and usually they do these in September or August, and I checked on their website and unfortunately they are no longer selling these, so I figured it would be a nice time to sit down and unbox them, but it's unfortunate that they don't sell them anymore. But I guess they might have run out of supplies for this year. But so thankfully I was able to snag one. This box right here costed $29, but I believe they went up around $90. But I bought the smallest one. I'm going to be sitting here unboxing it right now. So I haven't even opened the box. It's been sitting on my vanity, taunting me. I've never got a mystery box from them, and this one is actually called their Secret Stash. So I'm just gonna open it here right now. I got it open. It comes with their card. It says "Thanks a Latte" on it from Colourpop. Cute. So this is what it's looking like so far. So I got a couple of cute things. It looks like I got a total of 7 items, and the first item that I'm gonna unbox is this little tiny Animal Crossing palette. And it's their Labelle of the Ball. I have to open it right now. Oh my god. And like purple is so my color, obviously. I mean, look at my hair. I can't wait to try this. I have to swatch them right now. Now, I love shimmers, so this palette is totally me. Like, I can see so many looks that I can create with this. And this is just some swatching on my hand. So I totally love this. I've never actually played Animal Crossing before, but I think the character is really cute, so I can't wait to give this palette a go. I thought their entire collection was so cute, so I'm kind of happy I get to finally try one. And it's purple, so you can't go wrong with purple. I'm also going to unbox this pressed powder shadow. This is interesting because I've never seen a package like this from them before. Maybe I've seen it in store or online, but I've just never realized what it was. Huh. So it's their Hop On, and it looks like it just goes in one of their, like a magnetic palette, because this looks like literally a single shadow. It's a beautiful, very pigmented. I feel like I could use this as a blush, honestly. So maybe I will use it for a blush when I sit down and do my makeup next. It's really pretty. I really like that color. Put it back in its little box so I don't lose it. I'm going to unbox this Act Natural Defining Mascara. And it's in black. This is what the wand is looking like. I've never tried one of their mascaras, so I'll definitely give this a try. Then the next thing that caught my eye is this Super Shock shadow, and I actually have one of theirs sitting out on my vanity because I used it this morning and I really like it. I've hit pan on it and it's in the shade Fringe, but I was looking on their site earlier and I actually could not find that, so part of me is wondering if I just didn't look hard enough or if they stopped making that one. So this one looks very similar. I'm going to unbox it right now. This one is a little bit more pinky. Oh yeah, they're so soft. I'm out of my hand space right here. It feels so soft. I love Colourpop shadows because they really do feel super soft, just like butter. This is Birthday Wish and this one's Fringe. They're a little similar, which I'm happy about because that one was actually my favorite Colourpop Super Shock shadow. I have this lip oil, and I really like lip oils, so this will be interesting to try. It's the Luxe Lip Oil, and it's in the color Gen Zen. I'm actually gonna put this on right now because it's scented. which I don't mind because it's a very sweet smell. I like this. And I got a Colourpop cream gel liner. I actually have all of their cherry collection, so this can just be an extra add-on, which I don't mind. Yep, it's their one in, let's see, Jubilee. It's just a pink gel liner, but you can't go wrong with gel liner, so it's very pigmented. The last item that I got is this shimmering dry oil from Soul Body. I've actually tested one of their foundations, but I've only worn it about 2 times because I haven't found a way that it works with my skin. So I didn't expect this. Do I just... I mean, it's oil, so it's a little liquidy. Oh no. It smells like coconut. Which doesn't bother me because it's not a strong scent. But yeah, definitely smells like coconut. And if you can see, it does feel very moisturizing. And it seems to dry down pretty quickly, and all I'm left with is just a shimmer. Kind of faint. If you've ever tried the, well, what this reminds me of, it is a different consistency, but it kind of reminds me of the Victoria's Secret Shimmer lotion and even perfume that you can buy. But I really like this, and I just put it on this one little area, but I mean, it feels moisturizing, so I will definitely use this. It's a Luxe Lightweight Dry Oil with Next Level Multi-Dimensional Shimmer. Oh, it says you can use it to your highlight, so I guess you could use it as a highlighter. I will definitely keep trying that. Those were all the products that I got, and probably my favorite one was, I really like that lip oil, but I really like this little eyeshadow. I'll have to create a look with it. If I do create a look with it, it will probably be on my Instagram. I'll leave my handle again right here. I like to post makeup videos there, so you will definitely catch me creating one using this palette. And it's perfect because it kind of matches my hair. And I actually just got cut. I just came back from my hair appointment, and I got some little bangs. And I really like bangs, so I'm happy with it. The clips that I have in my hair are actually from Colourpop. I think it's from their 2000s collection. I will leave the name of that collection right here. It actually these clips came right around the same time that I got my new It's a Mood Colourpop eyeshadow palette, which is actually created, I used that to create the look I'm wearing today. I kind of got some butterflies going on. I really like this palette. I have actually created a look with it already. It was my first impression, but I don't believe that video is up by the time you might see this one, so look out for that one, or if it is up, I'll leave the link in the description box. Overall, I really liked this box. It really was a surprise, and I think it's fun how you kind of get different products and you kind of don't know what you're getting until you unbox it. So I definitely really liked it, and I like how you can kind of create a whole look with this. So I will definitely try it out. I'm going to be trying all the products. So besides the clips in my hair, I actually got another Colourpop box, and I haven't unboxed everything. Like I said, I unboxed the It's a Mood palette and already used it, but I have 2 Super Shock shadows right here that I haven't opened, and I also have a So Juicy lip gloss, and I just have a black gel liner. But I really wanted to unbox these on camera because I wanted to get how pretty they are, and plus I have to show you the packaging. I got this Tangled one, and Rapunzel Tangled is my favorite Disney movie, and if you can see that design, they got the sun in her tower, and she's on this side. She has a paintbrush, and it says Super Shock on this side, and the name of this Super Shock shadow is called I See the Light. So I'm going to open it now. I'm going to try and be very careful because I don't want to rip the packaging. I got it. I love that detail. So I'm actually going to swatch on my right hand because I'm out of room on my left hand. That would be so pretty on the entire lid. And this would actually go well with that little 4 eyeshadow palette that I got in the box, the Animal Crossing. And now I'm going to open the In the Saddle. It has the little butterflies on it. I believe it was in the same collection as these butterfly clips. Swatch this one too. They look almost the same, except for this one that I just swatched is more of an orangey gold, and the other one is more of a silver. Here's In the Saddle, and here's I See the Light. And again, here are the cute packaging that they come in. I have never gotten a Colourpop product that I didn't like. And lastly, here is my So Juicy Plumping Gloss. I'll have to pair this with the look that I create with this one. Kind of do like a purple vibe. And lastly, I just got this black gel liner in Swerve. So I'll definitely be giving all of these a try, and like I said, I will definitely be posting on my Instagram about them, so you can follow me here. Now that I'm all covered in glitter and swatches, I want to thank you for watching my Colourpop mystery unboxing, and I will definitely see you in my next video.